Welcome to the iConnect and Parent Zone 2.5 Changes webinar. iConnect has a new medicine event type which lets you record when medicine has been administered to a child. After upgrading, you will need to enable the event by going to Settings and Provider Settings. Click on Event Types where you'll then see the disabled icon next to the event name. Click on the badge to enable the feature. Use the drop-down arrow next to it to select any media options you'd like for your users to be able to use when logging the medicines. To give more detail on the medicines, you can add event codes by clicking on the event name and clicking on New, and then adding in names of medicines. Click on Save. Once enabled, the event will look like this on the ad screen. Based on feedback received from customers, we've added another new event type called Moments. After upgrading, you'll need to enable the event type if this is something you'd like to use by going to Settings and Provider Settings. Click on the disabled icon to enable the feature and select any media options you'd like for your users to be able to select. Once enabled, the feature will look like this on the ad screen. Also new to iConnect in 2.5, if a child has had an accident, they will be displayed on the register screen in orange text and an orange flag will show next to their name. Hovering over the orange flag will show a tooltip to provide more information as to what the flag is indicating. When checking a child out, before you can capture a signature for the checkout, you'll be prompted to capture a signature for the accident. If you click on Close, you'll still be able to sign for the checkout, but the next time the child is checked in, you'll be required to add a signature for the accident. In version 5.20 of Connect Childcare, the iConnect Accident Report will display signatures captured for accidents in iConnect. For more information on version 5.20, please contact your customer success consultant. The cohort tracker now includes titles which describe what is being shown based on the filters you selected to run the report on. We've also added the ability to copy progress charts and tables generated from within the report. Please note this functionality is only available when viewing iConnect via a web browser. Additionally, the copy and paste feature works only on Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Also new to iConnect, the Event Checker report not only shows the date of the last published assessment for children, but you can now also see the date of the last published observation. To use the report, simply select the two dates you'd like to run the report for, as well as any additional filters, and select whether you'd like to see observations or assessments, and then click Filter. When the report loads, any children who haven't had an observation or assessment between the two dates selected, the row will display in red, and there'll be a Create button so you can click on, where you can then add an observation or assessment for the child with the child already pre-selected for you. The assessment checker report can also be printed in colour. You can also export it as a CSV document or an Excel document. Other changes made in this release: staff can now change their own profile pictures from within the profile screen. The default profile picture used for staff, children and parents has also been changed. The colours on the age and stage report have been updated to make them easier to differentiate. Based on feedback received from the iConnect community, we have made a change to how the Manage Children screen loads. Now when accessing Manage Children, the screen by default only show active children. Software bugs have been fixed in version 2.5 to give you a better user experience. New to Parent Zone in 2.5, parents are now able to change their own profile pictures from within the profile screen. Now in Parent Zone, when accessing Parent Zone through a web browser and adding their own observations, parents will now see the Browse Media button so that they can open up their device's gallery or the file manager from their computer to select media. For support with any of the new features of 2.5, please contact your customer success consultant by calling 01282 507 945, or alternatively, you can raise a ticket from within the help desk.